All AC parts have a job, but pet urine on your coils can seriously mess things up by causing corrosion and degrading their performance. Okay, so when you're dealing with your air conditioner, the coils are super important because they help cool the air. If your pet has an accident near the unit, that urine isn't just gross. It's acidic and can slowly eat away at the metal coils. This corrosion can make your AC less efficient, meaning you'll pay more on your electric bill and the system won't cool as well. To keep things chill, regularly check the coils for any signs of damage or buildup and clean the area around your unit to prevent accidents. You can use mild soap and water to gently clean the coils if you spot any mess. Also, putting a small barrier or training your pet to avoid that spot helps a ton. If corrosion is already a thing, call a professional to see if the coils need fixing or replacing so your AC keeps working right. One of the biggest mistakes with pet urine on air conditioner coils is ignoring the problem until it's a full-blown corrosion issue, which makes repairs cost way more than they should. Another common glitch is not cleaning the coils properly. You want to avoid harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to keep the area around their AC unit clean and clear of stuff that might attract pets. To fix these, stay on top of regular maintenance checks, use gentle cleaning methods designed for AC units, and create a pet-free zone around your system with fencing or deterrents. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff about AC systems and repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing work, making it easier for both sides to get things done right without all the hassle.